Hey guys, Little Tiger G here. You might notice what I'm playing. Trollface. Stupid Flash! Hello! Anyway, let's just start this again. Hey guys, Little Tiger G here. You might notice what I'm playing. Yeah. I'm playing trollfacequest. TrollTube. Play now. TrollTube. Right. This is just gonna be bad. I can tell it is. Okay. TrollTube. Right. What? What? I don't understand. Do this. That. This is easy. Did I fail that level or did I? What? How did I? That actually made me jump. See what you can click. The only thing I can click is that. I've already done 39 clicks. I'm only on level 1. Oh, yeah, level 1. This is really weird. I don't like it. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's wasting my clicks. I knew you'd something like that. Knew it. Yes. Wait. How did I? What? Don't listen to that, guys. Right, put that phone in. Then is it? Put that in. Just blend it. So. Oh, I did that one first try. What is he doing? I don't understand this. Wait, can you click anything else? What? Well, you can click him. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit the wall so hard before. I don't know the rest of the words. What? You hit it right? You hit her? No, I failed. Hit the ball. Hit the ball. That. What? do? That is just really weird. 1, 2. I knew that blue star was something. I never knew I could put that. He's broken it. My brother has broken the table. Wait, he's a poor person, I guess. That was a fail, wasn't it? Grumpy Cat just popped out of the bin like nothing was in there in the world. How did I fail that? His head? Grumpy Cat, he goes down. And you can click him. Wait, how did I... What? I don't understand. What? Is there anything else you can click? You can click him, pop that out, click that. You can click him, you can click him. Why are you clicking him? See, what? I don't want to click him because I know what he's going to do. He's going to do one of the most dummy screenshots ever. But like, what? Like, I'm not even halfway through the video and I've done 187 clicks. Right, his head comes up. Right. Oh, so close. Wait, I want him to take the gun. I'm hoping for him to take the gun. This is so weird. I don't like it. Click all the way up his body. Like, his head should come up. Like, anyway, guys, I'm gonna have to end this video here. If you did, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you later, guys. Bye!